Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G11 and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. From here, select Storage, tap on your SD card. I'm gonna choose Files, and then you want to tap on the three dots right here. Go to Storage Settings, where you will find Format option. Click on it. This will give you a message that formatting your SD card will remove everything from it, so if there's anything that you'd like to keep, do make a copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, it will be removed permanently. Now, I don't want to keep anything, so I'm just going to progress by selecting Format SD card, which will automatically begin the process, which only takes a couple of seconds, so it should be done, there we go, any moment. So click on Done, and there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.